Hello guys, it's me Жанна and my RussianUp channel. If you still don't subscribe on my Instagram page, do it now. We have the biggest community of those who learn and love Russian language. And our today's topic is how to introduce yourself, how to say in Russian "my name is". Let's start. The first and the easiest option is just to say "я" plus your name. "Я" it's I and name Жанна. Я Жанна. The second and the most common option меня зовут plus your name.
Меня зовут Виктор Павлович.
Меня зовут Вася.
Меня зовут Маша.
On this option I want to stop because here I want to speak about the grammatical construction of this phrase. Меня зовут. We can translate it as I am called Жанна. Меня зовут Жанна. Or even better to translate it literally as they call me Жанна. It would be the most close translation. And what we have here? The verb зовут, its infinitive form of this verb is звать, to call. And here let's conjugate this verb. Я зову, ты зовешь, он зовет, мы зовем, вы зовете, они зовут. So what we have? We use the form of они, yes? The form of они, они зовут. But we omit this pronoun они and stay just the verb зовут. Меня зовут Жанна. What we have here? It's the verb, yes? And here we have object. Me. They call me Жанна. Okay, now let's speak about pronunciation of this phrase. Меня, меня. We have stress on the letter я, меня. Зовут. Here we have stress on the letter у. Жанна. Меня зовут Жанна. Okay, and I remind you that we read letter O in unstressed position, almost like letter A. And the third option, мое имя plus your name. The closest translation is to the English option. My name is. Мое имя Жанна. But we don't have any verb in Russian. We just say мое имя plus your name. What we have here? First of all, the stresses. Letter ё is always in stressed position. Имя, имя. Here the stress is on the letter И. Мое имя. Okay, and what about the grammar? What we have here? Here we have possessive pronoun мое, right? And why we have it in neutral? Because the word имя, it's neutral word. If you forgot the topic genders or it's just new for you, you can go in this lesson. So, мое имя Жанна. We have to agree nouns with pronouns, okay?
Мое имя Даша.
And the fourth option, not for beginners, разрешите представиться. Let me introduce myself. It's like introduction, yes? Let me introduce myself, and then you use one of these phrases. Разрешите представиться. Меня зовут and your name. Разрешите представиться. Мое имя plus your name. Разрешите представиться. Я and your name. Разрешите, разрешите. The stress mark is here. Разрешите представиться, представиться. And we read this ending like ца. Разрешите представиться, представиться. Okay? Let me introduce myself. Разрешите представиться.
Разрешите представиться, Джулика Бандитто.
That's all for this small lesson. I hope that you repeat after me each phrase, and now you can introduce yourself in many different ways. Thank you for watching, don't forget about like, and of course I'm waiting your names in comments. Choose one of these phrases.